Hello, in this video I'm reviewing a 2 horsepower air compressor. With this compressor you can do things like washing, air or water spraying, inflating, blowing, screwing, hammering and many other things. Here you can check how much oil is in oil tank. Here you connect the air hose. If you want to turn on the compressor, you must pull up the red button. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes for air to load in the tank. With this valve we regulate the pressure that will come out of the compressor. With this valve you can release the air out of the compressor tank. With this valve, condensate from the tank is released. My opinion is that this is a good compressor for hobbies, but not for professional user. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.